Okay, so if you skip the other video of what these inequality symbols mean, that's fine. As long as you understand them, you'll be okay. But this video is just going to go over quickly how to solve these problems or how to do these problems. They're the ones that are on your assignment for this week. Okay? They're pretty straightforward. They don't take too long. Obviously, this will take about 5 minutes for me, but when you actually do them, it takes like 30 seconds at most. But in any case, here we go. Okay, number one. You have this symbol right here. You have an X, you have a 3, you have that symbol right there. The way you read that symbol is what it is in red. That means X is less than 3. Okay, so you read this as, again, X is less than 3. And so what you do with these is just graph this inequality. Like, what does this mean in terms of a number line like this? So when you do this problem, you're going to have to make your own little number line. Nothing too fancy, just something simple like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negatives, positives, stuff like that, okay? And so what you're going to do first is, well, you know this number, whatever it is, you know it's smaller than 3. So then you just make a number line. We're going to go to 3 here. And then we're just going to put a point or circles, do circles, please, above 3. Now, if I were to go to the right, that'd be bigger than 3. But since I know it's less than 3, it's going to go to the left. So what that means is I'm going to draw an arrow like this. Because this is saying X, whatever that number is less than 3. So that means X could be 2, X could be 1, or it could be 0, 0 0.5, -1, -1.5, anything. It could be any number. We don't know what it is, but any of those numbers will work. Okay? So, that's why we drew this arrow, because it goes this way. It's any number less than 3. Okay? And that's number 1. Number 2 is a little bit different, but you have it right here, and the way you read this is just saying X is greater than or equal to 3. Okay? So then same situation, I have my number line. I'm going to go to 3. And when I do that, I'm going to draw a circle. And now it's saying, oh, it's any number, X could be any number that's greater than or equal to 3. So it has to be the numbers to the right, because those are numbers that are bigger. So then I'm going to go over here, and again, make my number line or arrow, my answer, go over here. Okay? Because it could be 4, it could be 5, it could be 6, as long as it's greater than 3. Now, that's pretty much the answer, but let me explain one more thing. If you look at this one and this one, there's one different, well, it's two different things. One's less than, obviously, and one's greater than. But I'm talking about these circles. This one's open, and then this one is closed. Okay? The reason why, well, it has to do with these symbols. This one and this one. But it has to do more of what they mean. Okay? This one, again, for number 1, is saying X is less than 3. That means it could be 2, 1, anything, any number less than 3, but it cannot be 3. It's strictly less than 3. So basically, it can't be 3. But anything that's below that is fine. Compare that to number 2, where it's saying X is greater than or equal to 3. So this one's saying it could be any number bigger than 3, that's fine, nothing wrong with that. But it can also be 3. This open circle means that it can't be 3. This closed circle means that it could be 3. So if we want to plug in a number here for X, we could plug in 3. Over here on number 1, we can't plug in 3. Because if you read it, is 3 less than 3? No. But 3 can be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so that's the only difference. This makes a huge difference. And if we were to have a test, which we're not, because, then it would be wrong if you put this one when it should be this one. Okay? that's pretty much it. Um, I think you should be able to do Tuesday's work or Monday's, whatever it comes out. I forgot by yourself. I mean, just draw a number line, understand these symbols, and then write your little arrows like that, and you'll be fine. Okay. It does get a little trickier, but we'll see. We're taking it one day at a time, 1 week at a time, rather. So this is just the first week. We'll see how it goes. But again, if you have any questions, let me know. You know where to contact me. You know how to contact me. And I'm pretty good at responding quickly. So just let me know.